Hello everyone and welcome again. So we continue always with our course of punctuation marks, and today we'll try to tackle a new mark, of course, which you all know and use in your writing. This mark is what we call the parenthesis. The parenthesis. We will try to see different tools that govern the use of this mark. Now first, let's have a look at its form. So, today's lesson is entitled the parenthesis. Of course, here we use the plural form of the noun of this mark because we have two parentheses. Otherwise, singular name for one of them is parenthesis. Clear? Parenthesis. Go. This mark also, here is its form. It's like this. Is called by the British. It is called the round brackets. So it has two terms or two names. The round brackets. The British, when they say round brackets, they mean these parentheses. And they distinguish it from these square brackets. So we have for the British two types of brackets. Round brackets that we call parentheses, and we have square brackets that we call simply brackets. So today we'll try to highlight and focus on the different rules that govern the use of the parentheses. All of us know that when we are writing or when we write something, a sentence, and we want to insert something, to add an extra material, to explain, to add a comment and so on, we need to distinguish this additional material, or explanatory material with a particular comma, particular mark. And here we use the parentheses to enclose, or to contain these supplementary or additional material in our sentence. So we write, number one, it is used to, or they are used, to enclose explanatory, especially for the sake of clarifying a previous word or element in the sentence. Explanatory, supplementary, additional, or parenthetical, material. Material means piece of writing that doesn't change or affect or influence. It's also something extra. The sentence meaning. The sentence meaning. Meaning. Alright. Sentence meaning. Now, only as a remark, this extra material, or explanatory material which we insert in the sentence for the sake of clarifying certain elements, is written by the same writer of that sentence. Clear? Alright, by the same writer of that sentence. It means when you want to explain something, add an extra clarification in the sentence, you place it between two parentheses. For example, I write, example, the disaster. Example, here I want to clarify more about what disaster I'm talking about. Example, the earthquake, I mean, earthquake of 1999 was terrific, terrific. Now here, okay, I have added, okay, this supplementary explanatory material for the sake of clarifying, okay, this disaster, or what disaster exactly I mean or refer to, clear, or refer to. Also, we have another use, and this use also we use it commonly or mainly when we list, okay, introduce an element of a list, and we number, okay, the elements of this list either by using numbers or sometimes also we introduce them using letters. So also we write number 2. Now parentheses are used also to enclose numbers or letters, okay, for listed items. Listed items. For example, I write, I have many tips or many tips to introduce. Many tips. Example, number 1. Or A, clear, get up early, right. Second one, for example, number 2, okay, get ready, for example, before, and here you continue your list, and whenever you introduce new elements, you place, okay, your number or letter between two parentheses, Okay, good. Also, we have another case for parentheses, which concerns the acronyms or abbreviations when they come, okay, in the sentence together with the full words they represent. Clear? They represent. So in case you start with an acronym or abbreviation, you must place the full words which come after this acronym, okay, and present it between parentheses and vice versa. If you start, for example, in the sentence with the full words, okay, of organization or the noun or associations and so on, okay, and you put after them the acronym or abbreviation, you place this, okay, letter between parentheses. Clear? Parentheses. And even in case when you write only sometimes the acronym alone, you can in English place it between parentheses. So we write here to enclose the full words for an acronym. Right, acronym is what? Acronym is an assembly, okay, of the first letters, okay, of a group of words which come together. We put them in the form of one word. Like, for example, FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. Okay, like this. Acronym or abbreviation to enclose the full words for an acronym or abbreviation when they come after, okay, these acronyms or abbreviations. Example. For example, I write the FBI F B I, right, the FBI, I mean Federal Bureau of Investigation, Federal Bureau of Investigation. I close my parenthesis here. Okay, is an American agency. So here I introduced first the acronym. Okay, then when I put after it the full words of the acronym, I place them between two parentheses. And even vice versa, even if I start talking with the Federal Bureau of Investigation, okay, and then I add after it FBI acronym, I put the acronym also between two, okay, parentheses. Alright, second case. And third case also, in case just you mention only this one alone, you can also place it between parentheses in English, okay, without the two words alone, the sentence, it can be enclosed within also two parentheses. Clear? Two parentheses. What is left is our simple case, which concerns phone numbers. If you notice that when we write, especially international phone numbers, we have that area code at the beginning of the phone number. This area code is always placed between two parentheses. So, to enclose area code of phone numbers. Example, for Algeria our area code is 2013. You put it between two parentheses, then you remove the 0 as you know, and you write directly the number. Directly 166, 44, 32, and 71. Example 71 or 71. Alright. So these are mainly the four cases in which we use the parentheses within a sentence. Which we write, which is our own, and the main use is when we insert, when we add certain material for the sake of clarifying, explaining, adding more details about an element within the sentence. We will move on now, our next part of the lesson to the brackets, or what the British call the square brackets, to highlight also its own rules. So see you then.